Hi, we're the Snake Group. I'm Vincent.
I'm Elisa.
I'm Javier.
I'm Mira.
Our following video will present our findings with our retail research. We'll be conducting research studying the relationship between a customer's ethnicity and what foods they order at Chipotle. The purpose of this research is for Chipotle to optimize their menu according to their customers. Our main research is there a relationship between a person's ethnicity and what or why eat at Chipotle? In terms of our hypothesis, we are expecting that non-Mexicans would eat at Chipotle for their Mexican cuisine.
As you can see, we've collected our data through a verbal survey asking 3 simple questions. To what extent do you eat at Chipotle for Mexican foods? With 1 being rarely and 7 all the time. The second question is, to what extent do you eat at Chipotle for non-Mexican foods with the same scale? Our last question was, what is your ethnicity?
Limitations to our research include a relatively small sample size, and samples are only from 2 locations across the GTA. There is also the fact that customers may have responded without any real thought. Prior to this research, there was no information on whether Chipotle customers are there for Americanized food or for Mexican food.
Overall, we received responses from 10 Mexicans and 10 non-Mexican people. The mean response to eating at Chipotle for their Mexican food was 2.95, and the mean response to eating at Chipotle for their non-Mexican food was 6.1. To summarize, we found that regardless of a person's ethnicity, they do not eat at Chipotle for their Mexican cuisine, and more people ate there for their Americanized menu of chicken and steak.
Because there is no correlation between a person's ethnicity and why they eat at Chipotle, we recommend that Chipotle should stick to their current menu items as it satisfies what their customers want. However, an option for Chipotle is to test the market by adding another Americanized food item to equalize the menu, since there are 3 Mexican food items and only 2 non-Mexican food items. Based on our data, we can conclude that Chipotle customers are not looking for authentic Mexican cuisines. They are looking for a familiar Americanized offering that is fast and easy.